As a turf professional, you're a multitasker. There's always something that needs to be done. And these days, you and your entire crew must be as efficient as possible. So your fertilizer product should be as effective and efficient as you and your team are. Having fertilizer products that accomplish multiple necessary turf maintenance tasks with just one single application has become one of the most common ways to optimize employee time management while maintaining peak turf conditions. That's why we're excited to announce our brand new and industry's first fertilizer combination products with Acelepryn insecticide and Barricade pre-emergent herbicide, only available from LebanonTurf. LebanonTurf developed this innovative line of products to deliver season-long control of crabgrass and grubs in a single application. These exclusive fertilizer combination products are offered in our ProScape and Country Club brands. In addition to our unique superior crabgrass and grub control, our products feature the latest in turf nutrient technology with our proprietary components of Mesa XP and U-Form, along with some PCU options. Mesa XP is our latest advancement in homogeneous nutrient sources designed to optimize performance while minimizing environmental impact. Its distinctive indigo color is easy to see both during and after application. By combining ammonium sulfate and potassium sulfate in a matrix of methylene urea, we have created a granule with a controlled release mechanism that offers immediate and extended nutrient availability of both nitrogen and potash that feeds the turf. Mesa XP will feed the turf for 12 to 16 weeks. U-Form is our urea formaldehyde slow-release nutrient component that delivers an extended, consistent source of nitrogen to feed the turf up to 26 weeks. With an analysis of 3900, U-Form's light blue homogeneous granules consist of 89% slow-release nitrogen, which provides energy-rich carbon for increased microbial populations while reducing the risk of nitrogen loss to the environment. It's safe to apply at any time of the year, with fewer applications through the growing season. These innovative non-coated nutrient sources are perfectly paired with Acelepryn and Barricade to create the most effective and efficient products designed to save you time and money while delivering the performance you require. To allow these groundbreaking products to fit seamlessly into any maintenance program, we've purposely designed them with two distinct load level combinations of Acelepryn and Barricade. The first load level combination is 0.058% Acelepryn and 0.38% Barricade, formulated to deliver a wide variety of active ingredients per acre based on application rates, grass types, and agronomic needs. The second load level combination is 0.067% Acelepryn and 0.67% Barricade, formulated to deliver higher rates of active ingredients per acre with a lower amount of applied product. ProScape fertilizers with Acelepryn plus Barricade are our standard-sized products designed for professional lawn care, landscape, and general turf uses. Country Club fertilizers with Acelepryn plus Barricade are our mini-sized products, SGN 150, that are designed for golf course fairways and tees and other high-value, closely cut turf areas. Creating healthy, sustainable turf that's free of weeds and bugs has never been easier or more efficient. One single spring application of Acelepryn plus Barricade fertilizer gives you peace of mind that your turf is in good hands while you're on to the next task. And it's only available from LebanonTurf. If you'd like to know more information about these products or any of our other turf and ornamental products designed specifically with you in mind, please contact your LebanonTurf sales representative. Visit us online or call us at 1-800-233-0628.